Hi, my name is Asha Dahiya and I am from Bethesda, Maryland, right next to Washington, D.C. I am a junior at Bethesda Chevy Chase High School and will be graduating in 2016. Throughout my life, I have been passionate about science, from microbiology to biochemistry and everything in between. By the time I turned 12, I knew I wanted to become a physician. I applied to the University of Arizona AgDiscovery program because it covers topics like disease eradication and animal science, things that relate directly to medicine. The program did teach me all about biology and pathology, but AgDiscovery also taught me so much about the world in general, about the food we eat and the people we meet. My favorite AgDiscovery activity was the goat head dissection lab. After Dr. Carrie Forsyth, a USDA veterinarian, taught us about bovine spongiform encephalopathy and prions, we practiced extracting the obex and the lymph nodes of a goat, hypothetically to test for disease. Not only were this lab and lesson interesting, but they had real-world applications to disease prevention. Another two activities that I enjoyed were our visits to a vet clinic at the Humane Society of Yuma and to the Arizona Veterinary Diagnostics Laboratory in Tucson. Even though I hope to become a physician, not a veterinarian, the clinic and lab visits interested me because diseases must be tracked and medical care provided in both the animal and human worlds. It was very intriguing to learn about histology and bacteriology at the vet laboratory and to view the surgery room of the vet clinic. The shelter dogs were pretty adorable too. On our 7th day of AgDiscovery, we visited the Bio5 facility of the University of Arizona and met with Professor UA-Yuma to learn about genetics. I was amazed that gene codes from practically every living species are available online for public use. We spent a morning searching various genes in the National Center for Biotechnology Information database. My partner and I researched a gene in long-grain rice. Other great activities from my 2 weeks in Arizona include the date farm tour, the seed production facility tour, the Cooley Museum visit, and the University Meat Lab visit. Best of all was the day we spent on the Colorado River. I loved spending time with animals at various facilities, such as at the Desert Springs Tilapia Farm. It was pretty surprising to see millions of fish in the middle of the desert. My fellow AgDiscovery participants were such fun and intelligent people to be around. I made great friends. As a city girl, I really loved learning about where my food comes from. But most of all, I appreciated the lessons we learned about diseases, genetics, and animal science. Everything I learned at AgDiscovery will help me in the future, as a professional and as a person. I am deeply grateful to the USDA and to the University of Arizona for giving me this opportunity to travel and learn about life science. The day we spent at the Mexican border learning about entomology and plant protection with the USDA was one of my favorites. Thank you to the wonderful people who spent the week teaching me and guiding the group around Yuma and Tucson. AgDiscovery changed the way I look at the world.